In this video, we're going to look at how to solve these JAMB economic problems under Introduction to Economics. So we're going to focus on the subtopic Basic Concepts of Economics. So we have about 18 to 20 questions practice in the video. Let's get started. First question here says microeconomics focuses on the following units in an aggregative manner. So it usually starts with the government in an aggregative manner. So the one that begins with government is the right one. So we have government, household, firms, individual, consumers, and external sector. Okay, and the external sector. Next question is this one. It says economics is regarded as a social science because it deals with the social problems, adopts the scientific method in the study of human behavior, is an agent of socialization, adopts the scientific method in production. The right answer is adopt the scientific method in the study of human behavior, option B. The next question is this one. It says what is the economic term used to describe the benefit foregone when a choice is made? So we have scale of preference, potential cost, scarcity, explicit cost. So guys, the right answer is option B, foregone. The right answer is option B, opportunity cost. So opportunity cost is simply a foregone alternative or sacrifice made to satisfy another want in economics. Next question is this one. It says what subject is this? So this is economics. This is the simplest question here. The next question is this one. It says economics as a field of study is a social science, option D, very important. Next question is this one. It says the invisible hand promotes the interest of, we have government, consumer, society, producers. So this is the right answer is option C, society. So this invisible hand promotion is a thought from Adam Smith. Okay, so the right answer is option C. Next question is this one. Say the sector which contributes highly to the economy is higher education sector, tertiary sector, secondary sector, primary sector. Right answer is option D, primary sector, very important. Next question is this one. It says a way of putting economic idea in a concise form is, we have microeconomics, macroeconomics, mixed economy model. So the right answer is option D, model. Next question is this one. It says the primary motive for an individual engaging in production is to make profit, basically, option D. Okay, next question is this one. It says normative economics deals with what is and not what should be, facts and not figures, facts and figures, value judgment. The right answer is option D, guys. Take note of this question, value judgments. Next question is this one. So guys, before I attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So it says which subject are you doing? So very obvious question, economics. Next question is this one. It says opportunity cost is an economic concept which describes the real cost of retaining an optimum level of production of commodities, sacrifice made for the satisfaction of a want. Yeah, that's the answer, option B. Okay, next question is this one. It says which of the following is an example of free good? Free education, dinner you did not pay for, your rented apartment, water in the ocean. The right answer is option D, water in the ocean. Next question is this one. It says the assumption of economic analysis are dash and dash, microeconomics and macroeconomics, demand and supply, cardinalis and ordinalis, rationally and other things being equal. The right answer is option D. Take note of this question, rationally and other things being equal. The next question is this one. It says the fundamental problem of economics is the scarcity of productive resources relative to society's unlimited wants, finding striking determinants between the forces of supply and demand, the establishment of political framework determine the what, how, and for whom of production, to establish an equitable distribution of income. The right answer is option A. So the fundamental problem is the scarcity of productive resources relative to society's unlimited wants. Okay, the next question is this one. It says value in exchange means utility to exchange the price of goods, the worth of an individual of a good or service, the power of a good to exchange other goods. It must possess satisfaction. So guys, the right answer to this question is that value in exchange means the power of a good to exchange other goods, option C. Next question is this one. It says which subject are you doing? Guys, this question is funny. Very simple. So option D, right answer. economics. The next question, this one, it says economics is a social science concerned with the proper use and distribution of wealth, allocation of resources for good. Right answer is option B. Okay. The next question, this one, it says economics can be defined as allocation of resources to alternative uses, economic behavior of small units like the household and the firm, reduction in spending in the face of competing alternative, the study of economic aggregates like inflation and national incomes. The right answer is option A, allocation of resources to alternative uses. Last question for end this video, this one, it says the necessary of choice is due to the fact that consumer are selective, human wants are insatiable, resources are abundant, consumers like to maximize satisfaction. So guys, the right answer is that the necessary of choice is due to the fact that human wants are insatiable. So guys, this is basically chemistry problems involving introduction to economics. We looked at basic concept of economics for this video. I practiced with about 18 to 20 of the questions for the video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel about what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question as regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. So ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting premium information that help you to excel in your SNE exam, like your JAMB and other SNE exams you're writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next button. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.